In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload bank transactions manually into QuickBooks Online using a CSV file. This is perfect if you've downloaded transactions from your bank or client portal and want to make sure everything is recorded accurately in QuickBooks. First, make sure your bank transactions are saved in a CSV or Excel spreadsheet. Each transaction should have a description, a date, and an amount. If your file has separate columns for credits and debits, that works too. The key is to organize the data so QuickBooks can read it correctly. Once your file is ready, log into QuickBooks Online and go to the Bank Transactions section on the left-hand panel. Here, instead of connecting a bank account, choose the option to Upload Transactions. You can either drag and drop your CSV file or click to select it from your computer. Next, QuickBooks will ask you to map the columns in your file. For example, assign the description column, the date column, and the amount column. If your file separates credits and debits into two columns, make sure to indicate that so QuickBooks can calculate the correct totals. This step is important because it ensures that each transaction is accurately recorded in the right account. After mapping the columns, select the bank account these transactions belong to, review a quick preview of your entries, and then click Continue. QuickBooks will import all the transactions and they'll appear in your register ready for review. Manual uploads like this give you control over your data and make it easy to handle transactions from accounts that aren't automatically linked. It's a simple way to keep your finances accurate and up to date. And that's how you upload manual bank transactions from a CSV file into QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.